Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can download your TikTok data via the TikTok application. It's quite straightforward once you know where the settings are and how to proceed. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok application. Once TikTok is open, either on your Android device or your iPhone, which is what I'm using in this case, we want to head over to our profile icon, bottom right-hand corner. Give that a click. It's going to load up your profile. This is where you have all your videos, all your reposts, your likes and shares and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, from here, we want to click on the hamburger option, which is the three horizontal lines in the top right-hand corner. Give that a click. It's going to open up the sidebar. From here, we want to click on Settings and Privacy. It's going to load up all of the settings that are associated with the TikTok application and your account. At the very kind of top here, you've got all of these different options, right? You can see they've got activity subheading, account subheading, visibility, interactions. We want to just come over to this account area where it says account, securities and permission, share profile. Click on the word account. That's going to open up all of your account-based functions. From here, you can see, if we go all the way to the very bottom, the second from last option that is sandwiched right between TikTok Shop for sellers and deactivate or delete your account, there's a section that says download your data. Click on that. Now, once this loads up, it can take a little while because there's a lot of things it has to kind of go through. We can see here that you can request to have a copy of your data from the TikTok application. Now, this can take a little bit of time depending on how much data is associated with your account, so do allow up to potentially 2 business days for this. Otherwise, for most accounts, it should be relatively quick, but there are some extreme cases where it can take a bit of time. You can see that there's several different options here, right? The first one is file format. You can click that and you can change between having a text file, a TXT file, which is an easy to read text file, or a JSON, a JSON file, which would be used for other service providers or if you wanted to import your data somewhere. Usually, if you're a developer, you'll be familiar with JSON. If you're not familiar with JSON, then stick to text, right? Because you're going to know what text files are. So yeah, basically, if you don't know what JSON is, don't worry about it. Don't use it. Anyway, underneath there, you've got the data that you can then select to have downloaded, right? And these are now tick boxes. There's also an option for select all, or you can just choose the ones that you want. For example, you want to download your direct messages, maybe your posts, right? Maybe you want to download just the comments and the comments alone, in which case you could do that, right? So you can just choose the things that you want. You can see it's your activity, TikTok Shop, TikTok Live, privacy setting, or profiling settings, I should say, posts, location reviews, likes and favorites, whatever you want. Select everything if you want everything, or cherry pick the things that you want. Once done, you just go ahead and you request the data. And that, again, it can take some time. And you can see here that it's saying that the data request is being processed. Now, in my particular case, this is super quick. There is pretty much no data associated with my TikTok account. This account is specifically being set up just for these video tutorials, right? So that I have no videos uploaded to this thing. I don't go around watching TikTok videos. I don't interact. I don't comment. Just a tutorial account. So this was very, very quick, right? As you can see here, requested on July 19th in this particular case, all available data from TikTok, right? And it's not yet available, so it will be available eventually from this section. So it's going to take some time to come on through. And it says actually here, it could take up to 4 days, right? When your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days, sorry. And if you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So just give this some time. It will eventually be available to download from this particular section right here. Once you've got it, you can download it and do whatever you need to do with your data. And that is it. That is how you would download your data from the TikTok application. Hopefully this has worked for you. If not, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, make sure to smash that like button. I really do appreciate that. And subscribe for more hints and tips. I'll catch you all in the next one.